Frustrated by last-minute no-shows that throw off your entire schedule? Missed appointments don't just waste time, they're lost revenue. Hi, I am Lisa from Scale Mastery. Today, I will show you a simple yet powerful way to reduce no-shows using automated appointment reminders. Imagine a system that sends timely reminders to your clients, keeping them accountable and ensuring they show up as planned. In this video, we'll set up automated SMS and email reminders for your appointments, helping you reclaim time and increase client reliability. And if you stay till the end, I'll share a pre-built template you can use immediately. So let's dive in. To automate appointment reminders in Go HighLevel, set up the calendar. Go to the Go HighLevel dashboard. On the left, click Calendars and select the calendar settings where you'd like to set up appointment reminders. If you don't have a calendar, you can create one by clicking Create Calendar. Choose your calendar type, such as personal booking, and configure your calendar. For example, set the calendar name, like Client Consultations. Select the team member, create a slug, and choose the meeting duration. Afterward, click the Advanced options to set additional details like the meeting invite title and meeting location. Once your calendar is ready, save your settings. Automating SMS and email reminders, navigate to the Automations tab to start building an automated workflow for appointment reminders. Click Create Workflow and select Start from Scratch. Give your workflow a name so it can be easily found. Start by selecting a trigger for appointment booked. Choose Appointment Status or Customer Booked Appointment from the triggers list. Add filters by clicking In Calendar, selecting your booked appointment, and then clicking Save for your trigger. Next, add a reminder action by clicking the plus sign button below the trigger. Choose Send SMS or Send Email from the list of actions. Write a personalized reminder message in the email box, such as, "Hello, client's name. This is a reminder of your upcoming appointment on date at time. We look forward to seeing you. Reply C to confirm." Set the timing for the reminder. For example, first reminder, set it to 24 hours before the appointment. Second reminder, set it 30 minutes before the appointment. Click the plus button again and select Wait Action. Here, select Appointment Time, like 24 hours before the meeting starts. Then, save it. Click the plus button to add an email action, sending a short reminder like, "Dear client's name, this is a reminder of your appointment scheduled for." After completing your email action, save it. Create a second email reminder, click the plus button, and choose Wait Action again. Set it for 30 minutes before the appointment, and save it. Click the plus button to add another email action, sending a final short reminder like, "Hey, client's name. Just a quick reminder that your appointment is in 30 minutes. See you soon." After completing this, save it. Go to the top right corner of the workflow screen, toggle the switch to Activate the Workflow, and save it. Before setting it live for clients, use a test contact to book an appointment and verify that all reminders, SMS and email, are sent at the correct times. And there you have it. Ready to reduce no-shows and make the most of your time? Click our exclusive link in the description to start a 30-day free trial with Go HighLevel, twice the usual trial period. You'll also get immediate access to our done-for-you appointment reminder template, so you can start improving your client attendance instantly. If this video was helpful, hit subscribe for more strategies to grow your coaching business. And check out our next video on using re-engagement campaigns to keep clients coming back. Perfect for building loyalty and boosting long-term growth. Thanks for watching. A few small changes can make a big difference in client accountability. See you in the next video.